This is your row and pull down machine, and I'll show you how to set it up for the row. Your first adjustment that you'll want to make is the seat height. To change that, you'll just press this red button and you can bring it up or down. To find your correct seat height, you'll want to sit here. You want it to be when while you're sitting here, these cushions are snug on the upper part of your thigh. Your next adjustment is this cushion here. Just pressing down on this red handle, you can move it forward or backwards. You want to move it so that you can be snug up against this cushion and still reach the handles here. For the handles for the row, there's 3 positions you can put your hands in. This is your neutral grip. It's going to be your medium level of difficulty. If you place your hands in a supine grip, now facing you, this will be your easiest grip. If you're looking for something a little harder, working deeper muscles, hands prone, facing down like this will be the hardest. Usually just stick with a neutral grip that's medium level of difficulty. Keeping your chest here on this front cushion and then just pulling back towards you. Making sure your chest isn't moving, and also you do not want your elbows out like this. When I do that, my neck is going to be in pain. Just keeping your elbows here by your side, and that's your row exercise. This is your row and pull down machine, and I'll show you how to do the pull down. First adjustment you'll want to make is your seat height. You can adjust that with this red handle here. Just press down and you can move the seat up and down to whatever height you need it to be. To find your correct height, you'll want it where when you're sitting here, your legs should be snug on the cushions here. Next, you'll want to grab the bar. Just hands equal distance apart, sitting down, and just bringing it here to your chest. Slight lean back, and this is your pull down.